Hi everyone, my name is Karen Rossi. I am a teacher in New Jersey, and what I'm going to be talking about today is side hustles for teachers. So everyone knows that teachers do not make a big salary. So even here in New Jersey, we do make a good salary for teachers compared to around the country. But unfortunately, to live in New Jersey is really expensive. So a rent in New Jersey is for like a 1 bedroom apartment is over $2,000. And this is in a rural area. So in the cities, it's even more. So for a teacher to be able to live in New Jersey, and that's a requirement to be a teacher in New Jersey, is you have to live in the state. It's really hard for us to live here and work here and have any money left over to save. So what I'm going to be talking about today is side hustles for teachers. So a lot of teachers in my school have side hustles. They are amazing people. They work all day, like we're high school teachers. We get up at 7:30 in the morning. We work all day with students, and we do get off earlier, so we can get off and possibly do another job. Or a lot of people have side hustles that I know. So I put together a list of side hustles. So I will go over them with you. But first, please subscribe below. Please. I'd love to grow my channel, so please subscribe below. So some hot side hustles for teachers. First, if you want to use your teaching superpowers, there are jobs such as tutoring. So math teachers they get lots of math tutoring gigs. I'm not a math teacher, I'm a business teacher. But math teachers, English teachers, science teachers, they can do tutoring on the side, whether it's private tutoring with students, or they can work in like Mathnasium, like these types of places, and do tutoring. So that's the first option. The second option is what I'm doing right now, content creator. So you can not only create content for videos, you can also write articles. You can also have plans uploaded to Teachers Pay Teachers. I have an account on there, and I do get money from that every month. Not a significant amount, but it is another stream of income that you can have. Another stream of income is coaching or after school clubs. So at my high school, they do pay for some after school clubs. They pay for coaching. Unfortunately, anybody that coaches out here knows that you really don't put in a lot of hours and you really don't make that much money, but it is good extra income. So that's why I have it down. Another thing you could do, and I've done this myself, is be a fitness instructor. So you already know how to teach people, so why don't incorporate exercise with that? So I was a Pilates instructor for 7 years. So I would pick and choose what classes I wanted to teach. Again, it's not a huge money maker. I did do some personal training for Pilates, and that does bring in, you could get $100 an hour training a client. So you can make more money doing personal training than teaching classes, but it is something well within your wheelhouse, and I felt very comfortable doing it. The other thing that you can do, especially in the summers, is that you can nanny and babysit, and especially for teachers that are special education teachers, they can take on more challenging children, right? And possibly get paid more money. Also, people in the summer sometimes are just looking for drivers. They need people that will be able to make breakfast for their kids and then drive them to camp and then pick them up from camp. So that's another stream of income that you can have. The last option I have, if you want to stay in the teaching realm, is to be an adjunct professor. So what you could do, you have to have your master's degrees. Most teachers have masters now, especially in New Jersey. So you could work at community colleges, and you can be an adjunct professor, or you can be a lecturer. So this is another way that you can pick up extra money. So let me move on to, if you want to take a break from teaching other people, right? You just need a break and you want to do something else. What you can do, I have non-teacher options here. The first one is to be a bartender or a server. All right. So I say this, I know lots of teachers that do this. We have lots of pubs around here. They have like beer places, right? And you can work there and you don't have to like go to bartending school. You're just serving people beer and you can make pretty good night, like on a Friday or Saturday night, you can make good tips. The second thing that people do is they become travel guides in the summer, especially world language teachers. This is a good idea for you guys. You probably really love to travel. You know the places that you teach the language from. So this could be a great option for you. The third thing is party planners. Teachers, you know, you are super organized. Like throwing a party would be nothing for you. We throw a party for 24 kids every single period. So planning a party is definitely something I see lots of teachers doing. Fourth thing is to be a journalist or a photographer. So again, I know lots of teachers who write articles for different online websites. They take photographs that they monetize. So this is another thing that you can do. Dog walker and pet sitter. Now, this is amazing. You can walk dogs, especially people that have puppies need them walked like multiple times a day. People who love animals love this job. Also, you could be a pet sitter. So I went away and my husband did not want to put my precious Zoe in a kennel. So we had someone come to our house, but it was really expensive. So this is something that you could do if you love animals, dogs, cats. You can have them stay at your house for a week or two while people go away. If you're going to be home anyway, it might be a good source of income for you. The last thing is teachers are entrepreneurs. So many teachers I know at the high school, they have side hustles. One of my good friends is a makeup artist. So she works during the day. Every weekend, she is a makeup artist at weddings, at like modeling shoots, like all these different things. She's completely amazing. Also, lots of teachers are, we have a teacher that does weddings, the music for weddings. He has a whole production company. It's completely amazing. Again, this is something that they do on the weekends or late at night, and they can combine that with teaching. It's exhausting, don't get me wrong, but they've been able to do it. Also, I see a lot of teachers that have side hustles where maybe they're going to sell like a product, like a Tupperware type of thing, right? So they take on something like that. But they have all types of amazing, amazing businesses. One teacher I know, they have a pool company. So in the summer, they like open and close pools. They clean pools, right? Amazing people. They're not just sitting home in the summer. You guys know this, right? We're busy. So these are just different things that people came up with. I was talking people at school, different side hustles. Please leave me in the comments side hustles that you do. And I'd love to make a second video with all the different side hustles that you tell me about. So please subscribe below. Please write in the comments and smash a like on my like button. All right. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Karen Rossi. I'm a personal finance teacher. Good luck. Be well.